Number 1 Serval. The serval is a wild cat native to Africa, recognized for its slender body, long legs, and large, rounded ears. Sporting a golden yellow coat with black spots and stripes, it excels in camouflage among the tall grasses of the savanna. Predominantly a solitary nocturnal hunter, the serval has an impressive jumping ability, enabling it to pounce on birds and rodents with precision. Although it's primarily a carnivore, the serval occasionally consumes grass, believed to aid digestion or act as an emetic. Due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflicts, serval populations are decreasing, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts. Number 2 Tapir. The tapir is a unique, herbivorous mammal found primarily in the rainforests of Central and South America, as well as parts of Southeast Asia. Recognized by its distinctive trunk-like snout, stout body, and short tail, tapirs are often mistaken for pigs or anteaters. They are excellent swimmers and often retreat to water bodies to feed, mate, and escape predators. Tapirs primarily feed on leaves, twigs, and fruits, using their flexible snouts to pluck and consume vegetation. Despite their shy nature and nocturnal habits, tapirs face threats from habitat loss and hunting, leading to declining populations in many regions. Number 3 Wallaby. The wallaby is a marsupial native to Australia, closely related to the kangaroo but generally smaller in size. They possess powerful hind legs, primarily adapted for hopping, and a thick, long tail for balance. Wallabies are herbivores, predominantly feeding on grasses, leaves, and occasional fruits. Female wallabies have a pouch in which they nurse and carry their young, called joeys, until they are old enough to venture out. Though many species thrive, certain wallaby populations face threats from habitat loss, introduced predators, and human activities. Number 4 Hoopoe. The hoopoe is a distinctive bird known for its crown of feathers, which it can fan out into a bold crest. Boasting a striking black and white striped pattern on its wings and tail, its body is typically a warm, sandy color. Found across Afro-Eurasia, the hoopoe is recognized by its unique hoop-hoop-hoop call from which its name derives. They primarily feed on insects, using their long, thin bill to probe the ground and extract their prey. The hoopoe is also notable in cultural and religious texts, being mentioned in the Quran and various European folklore tales. Number 5 Vulture. Vultures are large birds of prey, primarily known for their scavenging habits, feeding mostly on the carcasses of dead animals. With a keen sense of sight and smell, they play a crucial ecological role in cleaning up the environment and preventing the spread of diseases. Their bald heads, devoid of feathers, are an adaptation to prevent soiling while feeding inside carcasses. Vultures are found throughout the world, with species distributed across various continents, including the Americas, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Despite their ecological importance, many vulture species are facing threats from poisoning, habitat loss, and other human-induced challenges.